And what I want to do is I want to sweep my email. Now, sweep is kind of like setting up a rule, but it enables you to, like the acronym means, you get your broom out and sweep what you want to move out of your inbox. Now, if you are sweeping around your house, the analogy is that you probably will go around your table and that kind of stuff. So you can control where you sweep if you're doing that physically in the real live world. What I want to do is I want to start setting up some just the sweeping procedures to get rid of the stuff that I don't need in my inbox, or actually my other box at the moment. So here I've come down, I've got a whole lot of stuff. Here's something from Power Automate, and I've got a whole lot of these in here because I've got a whole lot of Power Automate stuff I've been working on, and they're just appearing in this, and I just want to put them somewhere. I don't want to throw them in a bin. I just want to archive them. I'd like to move them somewhere. So if I click on the email, then the menu bar at the top changes. So it's one of those things inside Microsoft on the web in particular that you've got to click on the email to action the other menu bar. Now up there you see a thing called sweep. Now if I click on sweep,